twin 502s.
Twin 502s, yeah. Sounds like a race car. What is that, a V8?
Sorry?
What is that, a V8 or a V8?
Yeah, I got twin 502s.
Twin 502s, yeah. Sounds like a race car. Some fishing boat, eh?
Yeah. Already used it.
Twin V8s in it.
You know, you watch that overhaul from Miami. Those ones installed.
Yeah, I bet. I think I prefer yours. It looks a bit less expensive on gas.
A little bit, yeah. I just do a little cruising, come back in.
Yeah.
Hardly use any gas.
That's a real nice little boat, that.
Not bad for a 94, eh?
You've looked after that, haven't you?
Yeah.
Have you had it reupholstered, or is it just all...
I had the driver's seat just because there was a couple of tears in it.
I think the red and white pops, doesn't
Yeah.
it? Big.
It's quite a story to this boat.
How is it?
The engine, the trailer, the boat, they're all original.
Yeah.
94.
It's in 1994, yeah?
Yeah.
There's not much left from 1990s, is there?
What, 29 years old.
Yeah.
I called the original owner. The guy that sold it to me had the original bill of sale.
Oh, yeah.
So I called the owner in Quebec. He had the original vinyl cover for the frame, brand new in the box, never put it on the boat. So
Wow.
he said, if you're up my way, come and get it. It's about a $1,500 part.
Yeah.
So I did. I was up in Ottawa.
Called his bluff.
So I got everything.
Yeah, it's really nice, that.
I mean, it's got the wear and tear, eh, of a boat that old.
But it's just sort of a size you can keep on your driveway, eh?
But I checked everything out. I've done everything with the engine. And
It's nice.
didn't need anything, but yeah, I checked everything out.
You can still hear them two V8s chugging along out there.
Eh?
You can still hear them V8s chugging along out there.
You'll go through at least $100
Just,
hundring around there.
yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah. Cheers, buddy. I don't think I've seen a Sea-Doo all rigged out ready for fishing before.
Yeah, that's it.
That's pretty cool. Seen some real strange things today.
So I just gotta get around to there.
Yeah, no worries. Is it not overweight? Is it not overweight with decals though?
We like the details.
Yeah, that's cool. What's it like though fishing? Is it stable?
Oh yeah. I don't have my license yet, so I haven't been out, but he does.
Yeah. I used to ride one of the old Bombardiers. But I think these are a lot more stable than the old ones were. We used to tip up off it, flip over. This is pretty cool. So that's your fish finder, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.